So let's start with creating a secure Linux VM. So as I mentioned, I'm going to walk you through AWS EC2 instance creation. There is one bit information you have to make a note. From my experience, when I tried to create T2 micro, it was not working. So what I did, if you see this, yes, I have given a name and we have selected Ubuntu, right? So here, instead of selecting micro, I have selected flex large. So rest of the process are same. You create a key pair name, right? If it is already existing, you can download and you can use it. Lesser GB like 6 GB, 8 GB, it was not working. Probably it needs more space. So I have given finally 30 GB and it has installed successfully without any problem. Now I am connecting via SSH using the PAM file, and this is the VM. This is the EC2 instance. This is the EC2 instance that I have created. So the first command that you have to perform is your system update and upgrade. Okay, so I have performed both the commands together. You can perform it separately, it's up to you, right? So once you are done, right? So once you are done with, so you perform these command, right? Update and upgrade your Linux once you are inside the Linux box, like EC2 box, right? So your installation will be done. Now next command is also very important, because this will install your base tools like curl as an example, right? So just follow the command as is and perform the installation. So once your installation is done, also I would recommend to create a separate user itself for dedicated for OpenClaw. Instead of using your root user, you can use a separate user. So that is all about setting up the VM, nothing else needed. Okay, the same procedure that if I do to my dedicated environment, right? So this is, so once you perform your this update and upgrade, so that's your system is ready. Accordingly, you can next command is your the curl installation, right? So you use your curl installation command. So that is also, I have already done it, but however I wanted to show you as it is a live demo. The next command is your curl, right? So next command is your curl command, curl installation command. So you perform this, right? So you perform this. So these are the basic setup for your Ubuntu. So as promised, both on AWS and on my personal system, my system installation is ready. So these are the basic setup for your Ubuntu. So as promised, both on AWS and on my personal system, my system installation is ready. Now the next package we are going to discuss is the installation of OpenClaw and its dependencies.